Today we're talking to travel expert Jeanenne Tornatore, who's aboard Carnival's newest Excel-class ship, the Celebration, which launched just as travelers are thinking about where they will plan their winter escapes. So Jeanenne, tell us about the Celebration. What are the highlights that cruise fans should know about?
Yes, I'm coming to you from aboard Carnival Cruise Line's newest ship, their Celebration, which is debuting Eastern and Western European routes this winter season, kicking off right now over the holiday break with over 5,000 passengers heading out aboard. And I have to tell you, this ship is amazing. They have an onboard roller coaster called the Bolt, similar to what we saw on their Mardi Gras ship that debuted in 2021. There are 6 themed zones throughout this ship, so many different cool experiences, dozens of restaurants and bars, including celebrity restaurants, one from Emeril Lagasse here. And I'm coming to you from their Carnival Kitchen, which is where you can take cooking classes. So lots of really cool different experiences that I think are new to the cruise ship experience.
And where did you say that the Celebration is sailing?
The Carnival is going to be sailing out of the port of Miami. It's going to be doing Eastern and Western Caribbean cruises. So fantastic option as we head into this winter season of 2023.
And for travelers thinking about a Caribbean vacation this winter, you say cruises are the best value.
Yeah, so a lot of people have been looking at where they can get away for winter escapes. Of course, the Caribbean with all of the great islands is always #1 on people's list. But look, cruising is really the best value to see a lot of these Caribbean destinations. Flights into a lot of the Caribbean islands can be very expensive this time of year. And, despite the fact that we've seen almost all other sectors of travel prices skyrocket, the cruise industry has remained relatively the same with its pricing. So cruises can be one of the best values for getting away during these busy winter months.
Where can we go for more information?
Sure. Well, I love Carnival Cruise Lines. You can also check out more ideas on my website, The Outside Insider. And I would also say that now is really the time to get online and book. Look, wave season hits in January, which is when most people start booking their cruises. So if you can get ahead of that before the new year, you're really going to find some great deals heading into 2023.
Thank you.
My pleasure.